Hello, today I'm going to show you the power source and cigarette lighter on your Audi A4 or S4 Avant car. If you take a seat, you can see in the center of the area in the front there is a 12-volt socket, which you can use for power supply, of course. This 12-volt socket must not exceed the power rating of 120 watts. The 12-volt sockets are located in the front, center console, in the rear, and at the luggage compartment side trim. So you will see all now. We get in the armrest area, and there we have more. We have the possibility, of course, of a cigarette lighter area. The front center console with the cigarette lighter option. You can buy this separately. To use that, we press the cigarette lighter down. When the cigarette lighter springs out, we pull it out completely and job's done. The cigarette lighter should only be used as a power source in exceptional circumstances. For example, for the compressor or the type repair kit, spare wheels, and so on. And at the other side of the center arm rest console area, we see there is an USB power source. That means we have a charge only, or we have there a charge and a USB or a USB plug connector, of course. That means a USB input. We can charge our mobile device and or connect them to the Audi Music interface. If there is only a charge, of course you can charge only your USB devices. Okay, let's go and have a look in the rear side. There is a 12-volt socket too, as you can see, and improper use can cause serious injuries. To start a fire, to avoid the risk of injury, never leave children and suspension in the vehicle with the key. And of course, we have one in the trunk. So the luggage compartment, side trim. So these are all easy to reach power sources in your car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and hope to see you again on the channel. Dun dun.